5 कॉमन मिस्टेक्स इन डेली लाइफ। क्या आप भी अपनी जिंदगी में ये 5 मिस्टेक्स कर रहे हैं? अगर आप हर दिन अपनी लाइफ में कुछ बदलाव चाहते हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। आज हम बात करेंगे उन 5 गलतियों के बारे में जो आमतौर पर हर इंसान अपनी डेली रूटीन में करता है। गाइस, सीरियसली, अपने गोल्स को साइड में रख के क्या कर रहे हो? देखो, हम सब बिजी हैं, लाइफ हेक्टिक है, आई गेट इट। बट अगर आप सुबह उठ के अपने गोल्स के बारे में नहीं सोच रहे हो तो आप क्या कर रहे हो? It's like wanting to be a Bollywood star but never practicing your dance moves. Imagine this. Your goal is to finally learn that guitar collecting dust in the corner. But instead of practicing, you spend all day scrolling through Instagram. How will you ever become a rock star like that? Same goes for anything you want in life. Fitness, better grades, starting a business. You gotta prioritize it. Okay, raise your hand if you've ever overthought something so much that your brain felt like it was going to explode. Yeah, we've all been there. We analyze every tiny detail, replay conversations in our heads a million times, and worry about things that haven't even happened yet. But here's the thing. Overthinking gets you nowhere. It's like driving a car in circles. You're burning fuel, your energy, but you're not actually getting anywhere. So how do you stop this madness? Simple. Action. Instead of getting stuck in your head, take a deep breath and do something. Chapter 3. Procrastination, the silent killer of dreams. We all have that one friend. Or maybe it's you, no judgment, who's always saying, Kal Karanga, Kal Karenge homework, Kal Karenge workout, Kal Karenge world domination. But guess what? Kal never actually comes. Procrastination is like that annoying friend who keeps borrowing money, but never pays you back. It's draining your energy and holding you back from achieving your goals. Think about it. Every time you procrastinate, you're delaying your own success. So ditch the Kal Karenge attitude and embrace the power of now. Get started on that task you've been putting off, even if it's just for 10 minutes. You'll be surprised at how much you can accomplish when you stop procrastinating and start taking action. Chapter 4. Not taking care of your health. You only get one body, bro. Look, I love a good samosa and chai as much as the next person, but we gotta take care of our bodies, yar. In this crazy, fast-paced world, it's easy to neglect our health. We pull all-nighters, survive on junk food, and forget to even drink enough water. But here's the truth. Your health is your wealth. If you're constantly tired, stressed, and feeling blah, you won't be able to achieve your goals or enjoy life to the fullest. So start small. Drink more water. Move your body for at least 30 minutes a day, and try to eat more fruits and veggies. Remember, taking care of your health is not selfish. It's an investment. Chapter 5. Not being consistent. Consistency is king and queen. This is a big one, guys. You can have the best goals, the most amazing plans, but if you're not consistent, you're not going to see the results you want. It's like trying to build a house on a foundation of sand. It's just not going to work. Consistency is key in every aspect of life, whether it's your studies, your workouts, your relationships, or your career. Don't expect overnight miracles. Real change takes time and effort, so set realistic goals, create a schedule that works for you, and stick to it. Even if you can only spare 15 minutes a day, make it count. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Outro, let's do this. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा तो प्लीज जरूर करें और कमेंट्स में बताइए कि आप किस गलती को अपनी लाइफ से दूर करना चाहें। अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें ताकि ये मैसेज और लोगों तक पहुंच सके। और अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो करके बेल आइकॉन दबाइए ताकि आप हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियोस मिस ना करें। तो ये थे 5 मिस्टेक्स जो आपको अपनी लाइफ से दूर कर देनी चाहिए। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। अपना ख्याल रखें।